for all the aspiring data leaders right now, what would be the three mistakes that you would suggest them to avoid based on your experience?
I think the first mistake the people of this generation, they think data science it means Python or R coding. If I know Python and R, I know data science, which is the first mistake. To be a data science or to sustain in data science industry, you need to know which algorithm works in which situation, which algorithm to apply to solve which business problem. If you just know Python coding, that will not help you to solve business problem. And many people think that if I know something, if I learn something, or if I am trained on something, I will continue that for next 10 years or 15 years. That is a very big mistake. This technology is evolving, and if you think about generative AI, it's just hardly 1 year old, and every day it is changing. So if you just stick, just confine yourself wherever it started in 2023 January, and you are applying the same principle today, it will never work. So you need to continuously update yourself. That many people does not do. The third thing I have seen that in today's generation, they make a big mistake while they may be. It's like you also, you definitely need to do cross skilling. So there is no shortcut. If you know only data science and you don't know what kind of data will be required, that will never help you to succeed in data science career. So you need to collaborate with data engineers, and you should visualize. You should visualize how should be your data structure, and then only you can tell the data engineers or collaborate with data engineers, and they can give you the data. So that I have seen that it is missing in today's generation.